Welcome you all for our Kaliswaran Chemistry YouTube channel. From this video, we are going to discuss about maximum questions asked in previous examination like TNPSC, NEET, UGC, CSIR examination, UPSC examination, a lot of competitive examination. Apart from Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission examination, we are going to discuss many questions based on many questions related to that order of the reaction, first order, zero order, half-life period, whatever the theoretical concept we have discussed up to that previous video. We are going to discuss problems related to that videos already uploaded. So maximum this coverage will gives you a basics of chemical kinetics, like order of the reaction, molecularity, unit conversion, like that. Here we start the first question from our TNPSC. This question asked in 2019 TNPSC chemist position, industrious and commerce department conducted that particular examination. Here the question is, the velocity constant K of the reaction has unit is m per second. The order of the reaction is. Already we discussed such a type of questions when uploading the order of the reaction and the unit of the reaction. Very simple question like this. Okay, so it is easy to find the order of the reaction generally. Here what is the given order is mole per second, molar per second. We already know capital M is equal to either mole per decimeter cube or mole per liter, whatever it may be. So simply what that M represent, mole per liter per second. What is the unit for our general order of the reaction? So the general order for reaction is mole per liter per second. So here the order we have to know. So here is simply put here 1 minus n. This is we know to. This is our general equation to find the order of the reaction based on the unit. Here the questions asked depending upon unit. So the unit and the order of the reaction is related in this question. So this is the questions link here, unit and order. So you have to find the unit. So unit is general equation mole per liter power 1 minus n second power minus 1. So first you put n is equal to 0. We have to apply 1 by 1. So n is equal to 1. Per second means simply it is a first order reaction, which is very easily found. Here they give m per s. So n is equal to 1. Now mole per liter power 1 minus 0 per second, 1 minus 0, 1. So we will get answer mole per liter per second. So we will get the answer, that is m per second. So the order of the reaction is 0 here. So your answer is A. So what is the major portion which is asked here? What is the order of the reaction? So general the question is, what is the order of the reaction? What does the things which are given? They give the unit and they are asking what is the order of the reaction. So this is one type of question. So this question is asked in our TNPSC exam.